Hello, in this chess position, white has only one move to save the game. Any other moves will be a win for black. Pause the video and then we'll take a look at the solution. If you try to promote the pawn, the bishop can cover the promotion square. So if you do promote to say a queen, the black bishop can just take it, and now black can promote the pawn and will win the game. There's no way that you can catch the pawn, and then it can promote to a queen. Even if white ignores the bishop, you can't catch the pawn because it's just one square ahead of you, and it will still get all the way and promote to queen, and then black goes on to win the game. If you move your king straight forwards to try and catch the pawn, you've still got the same problem. The pawn can just keep moving towards the promotion square. Even if you try to push your pawn, black can cover it with the bishop. Then you can resume your chase of the pawn, and it's too late. You won't be able to catch it, and black goes on to promote. The way to draw this for white is to move your king to e7. Black pushes the pawn, you can then move your king to d6. And if black pushes the pawn again, you can push your pawn, forcing the bishop to move up to b5, covering the promotion square of your pawn. Then you can move the king to c5, threatening to take the bishop. Black has to move their king or the bishop to stop the bishop from being taken. That gives you the extra square you need to be able to chase down the pawn. And then you can take the pawn, and then this will result in a draw once black takes your pawn. If black tries to hold on to the pawn by defending it with their bishop, you can just promote your pawn to the queen, and then the bishop needs to take that, and then you can just take the pawn before it promotes. The reason this works is that it's 7 squares of movement to get to the promotion square of the black pawn. But it doesn't matter if you go in a straight line or if you go diagonally. But the difference with getting to c5 is that you get black to waste a move, which gives you the advantage and allows you to catch up with the black pawn. Okay, that's the end of this video. Please like and subscribe for future test videos, and I hope to see you again soon.